Welcome, everybody. I'm Natalie Murgano at AVEVA. I'm Endorsed SI Management. I am responsible for the success of our Endorsed SIs globally. And today with me, I'm so happy to host at this new episode of Partner Talk, Kevin Holfeld. Kevin, welcome.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you in person, finally. Kevin, you want to tell us about yourself, what you do, and a bit more about the company, which is ENGlobal.
I'm Kevin Holfeld. I'm the Senior Vice President of all automation integration for commercial and government services for Gulf Island and ENGlobal automation services. I've been in business for over 40 years, providing services to the federal government, the state, local governments, as well as commercial entities, from very large projects to very small projects.
Mm-hmm. So you have special focus on government. Are you also active in other types of industries?
Yeah, my groups are actually almost 50-50, government, DOD, DLA, and other entities of that nature. And then on the commercial side, we work for all the large and midstream oil and gas companies, as well as commercial entities, high schools, school systems. So we work across the board.
Mm-hmm. Good. And you've been working with AVEVA/former Wonderware Solutions for quite some time, more than 15 years, I believe.
Yeah, somewhere between 15 and 20 years. Kind of grown along the way.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Are you also busy with PI system?
We are. That would be on the commercial side, actually, where we use PI, not on the government side.
Okay, good. And if you want to describe in maybe with one or two sentences the importance, the value that you see in partnering with AVEVA, what would you say? Maybe something that sets us apart from any other vendor that you can share with the viewers today.
I think the thing that sets AVEVA apart from the others is the support system that you have. It doesn't matter what industry we're working in. We've always got the AVEVA support, but we also have support of other people within your organization or your network, from the distributors all the way up to you guys. Mm-hmm. That's probably the biggest thing. Where some of the other vendors that we've worked with, they don't have that same support structure.
Wow, thank you for sharing. That's very much appreciated. Thank you. And if you want to describe again, want to tell us something more about how you were able to address the customers' pain points and needs thanks to AVEVA's solutions. Is there anything that really comes to your mind it's worth sharing?
Not specifically, more generically. We have a lot of different solutions that we've had to create for some of our federal contracts that we have. None of them are very simple because some of the equipment they've got is 1950s all the way up to 2020. And it's taken a lot of sharing resources, sharing of knowledge to get the solutions to meet what the client's asking for.
Mm-hmm. So it's let me say, 360-degree support that you perceived you got from AVEVA, you got also from the local distributor, the network. Are you collaborating with any other system integrator of ours eventually? Did it ever happen that you had worked with a fellow system integrator company?
Constantly.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's a big industry, but it's a small industry on the integrator side. So we've worked with a lot of others that might have some skill sets that we don't have. We'll bring them for that, or vice versa, or we've lent them employees that have special skill sets, and they've done the same with us. And I'd say of the 4 large ones in our group that we have on some of the federal stuff, that's very common that we share integration knowledge and.
What about the buzzwords of the day? Artificial intelligence. Do you have a position? Also because we are in Houston now at ENGlobal 2025, and artificial intelligence was mentioned several times. So your position, your idea, your opinion, if you want to share with the public today.
I think artificial, the AI is changing drastically of what we're doing. We're seeing a switch from some of the HMI work That's going more on the AI is where everybody's moving towards. But I think the example the other night was horse buggy and cars. I don't think HMIs are going away. I think they're going to be utilized by people for quite some time, but I do think the AI is going to become the predominant player in that arena.
Yep, definitely. That's the same approach and idea we have. And that's why we are infusing AI into the HMI SCADA solutions as well. John Krajewski presented it, Doug Warren presented it this morning. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk a bit more about ENGlobal. It's your first time at ENGlobal, right? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. And any outcome you wanna share with potential attendees of the future? So would you recommend them coming or not?
Oh, I definitely recommend it.
Okay.
I learned an awful lot even the first night. My time was a little briefer than I wanted it to be, but I learned an awful lot, and it was interesting to hear the direction with AI, HMIs, other ideas that are coming through. Made us think a lot more. We were talking about it today at the office. It's making us think a lot more about what we need to do to prepare for it rather than sitting around waiting for it to come and hit us. We're trying to make sure that we're ready. And we have quite a few people here this week actually getting training and bringing up some of our younger guys to be able to step into the shoes of some of those older guys.
Yeah, makes sense, of course. And do you have any plan after ENGlobal? Are you bringing back home office, let me say, the information that you are getting from here, reshare those information internally with people that weren't able to come?
Yeah, we actually have a meeting on Tuesday of next week where the people that attend the conference are actually going to have to speak and let us know what they found, let us know what interested them. And we've got a very senior guy here and we've got very junior guys here. So I think we'll have lots of different perspectives, which is good.
Yeah.
That's probably the main thing is we actually do have a download, and they do write a report that goes out so everybody can see it, since not everybody could attend.
Makes sense. And if you want to describe ENGlobal in just one word, which is the word that comes to your mind after these hours with fellow SIs, us, AVEVA, distributors?
I'd say concise.
Concise, okay.
It didn't leave a lot of room for trying to figure out. I understood what it was right away. It wasn't a round robin of just talking. It was very concise as to what was being said. So even somebody, I'm not the most technical guy, but I understood very clearly what was being presented. Brilliant.
I like it a lot. Anything else you want to add?
No, I really enjoyed my time. The little bit I was here, but enjoyed it. Enjoyed meeting the people. It was a very good meeting on Monday, so I enjoyed that as well.
Thank you so much. Very much appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure having you with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.